Hi everyone, this is Puneet Sharma. I am a Vastu consultant, astrologer, medical healer, and I do diet meditation. That's why I have restricted to take consultancy sessions just because I am busy in making modules and preparing courses. And recently I have completed first batch of basic astrology course, and successfully it has gone, and my students, they are very interested in Vastu short courses also. So I am working on that, and modules are going to get ready within few months, and hopefully I am going to launch it in mid-October. So whosoever is willing to join short Vastu courses, they can call us, WhatsApp us on 9899289135, and they can get the details. Thank you so much. This is the information I just wanted to share in beginning of this video, and the purpose of making this video is just to share my experience and the feedback of a satisfactory client. I'm happy that I'm successful in making my client getting what he was supposed to get with the Vastu consultancy at his place. He has given loan, and he was not able to receive and his money back. Also, his association with people was spoiled due to certain reasons, and he was worried that despite his good dealing or honesty or straightforward approach, why things are not in his hand. So first I took his birth details, check his chart, find few things that I must visit his space to get the corrections at his particular zones, which is causing this delay or obstruction in getting back his money. So when I visited, I found that as per his planetary combinations and dashas he is going through, there is actually some things which were not supposed to be in that particular zones. There was a toilet in east zone which was spoiling his association with people. There was another toilet in northwest zone adjoining his bedroom, and which is also not good to receive money back. So I treated both the toilets and the case is solved. So I'm very happy. I'm just telling you that east zone toilet is not good because it hampers. Always I find that it hampers your social connectivity. So if you two are sailing in the same boat, or you can apply same remedies at your place easily, you can do it yourself. Or if you are feeling same thing with you, like in your social connectivity or the associations, friends, you are facing so many hardships or troubles in maintaining the relationships, or you feel that a lot of people are against you, or you can search at your place. If there is toilet in east, you can make a simple remedy. Just go and put a green 15-watt bulb in that zone, in that toilet. This will do the rest. Things in your associations will be fine. This is a simple remedy you can do yourself. And keep a bowl of salt, sea salt, rock salt, and keep changing it on 10th day. This is a simple remedy. Everyone can apply it without the help of any Vastu consultant. And the second thing you can do, northwest is a zone which can be treated with blue 15-watt bulb. You can put a 15-watt bulb in that particular toilet if it is there in northwest. So that will help you receiving back your blocked amounts or your money which you have given and you are not able to receive it back. And the other remedy that you cannot do yourself, but if you don't have any option, you can put a pyramid there with 15-watt blue color bulb. These are the simplest way to get your things all on place, all on track. So I always wish that everyone should be happy. So see you next time. God bless you all.